कहा गया है बॉडी ऑफ मास 1 kg इज थ्रोन अपवर्ड विथ ए वेलोसिटी ऑफ, सो लेट्स अज्यूम दिस इज द ग्राउंड लेवल, सो ग्राउंड लेवल से एक मास को थ्रो किया गया है, ओके। सो कितना वेलोसिटी से, दैट हैज बीन गिवन एट v initial has been given as 20 मीटर पर सेकेंड, ओके। सो जब ये मैक्सिमम हाइट तक पहुंच रहा है, at that point that v final equal to 0. So maximum height has been given as h equal to 18 meter. How much energy is lost? So initial में जब ग्राउंड से फेंका गया है तब there was no potential energy, okay, क्योंकि ground it was touching the ground, so h equal to 0, so there was no potential energy, okay. So there was only kinetic energy, and when it reached to the maximum height, that is at this point, there is v is 0, so there is no kinetic energy, but there is potential energy, that is h equal to 18 meter. So we can say that at this point, that ground level the energy was at ground level kinetic energy was half m v initial square, that is half m 20 square, okay. And the potential energy initially was 0 because height was 0, but at the highest point the kinetic energy will be 0 because v is 0, okay. V finally is 0, so the potential energy finally will be mg h. What is the value of h? 18 meter, okay. So now if we put these values, so what it will be, the value of m has been given 1 kg, okay. So now if we put this value, that will be 1, this will be 400 divided by 2, so the k will be, the value of k will be 200, okay. So 200 joule will be the kinetic energy at ground level, and this will be 180 joule, the potential energy finally at final point, okay, at final point. So now we can say that a ground level में and this highest point, so here the kinetic energy is 200 joule, and at the highest point the potential energy that is 180 joule. So energy difference कितना हुआ, so how much energy is lost, so ये जो energy इधर था ऊपर में जाते जाते काइनेटिक एनर्जी तो लॉस हो गया, लेकिन वो कन्वर्ट हुआ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में, सो द लॉस विल बी 200 माइनस 180, सो द लॉस इन एनर्जी, ओके। सो एनर्जी का तो लॉस हुआ है, वो काइनेटिक हो या पोटेंशियल हो हम लोग को कोई ये नहीं मानता, क्योंकि काइनेटिक और पोटेंशियल दोनों इंटरचेंजेबल है। सो द लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी इज that is 200 minus 180, that is 20 joule. So ये क्यों हुआ, ड्यू टू एयर फ्रिक्शन, ड्यू टू एयर फ्रिक्शन। सो एयर फ्रिक्शन होने के लिए ही 180 हो गया, जो कि नीचे में एनर्जी 200 जूल था। सो हाउ मच एनर्जी इज लॉस्ट, that will be 20 joule. So hope you understand well. Goodbye.